It's Food Brainwash, boosting your cooking knowledge. So now we need to prepare our pumpkin. First, remove the skin. When you open the oven, stand to the side to allow the steam to escape, and then remove your roasted pumpkin. Once your butter has melted, add in your sage. Turn your heat back up. Now I'm going to make a well in the centre of the flour, crack my egg, now I'm going to slowly start bringing in some of the flour. Now I'm going to use my hands to combine it into a dough. Now our pumpkin has cooled slightly, we're going to place our pumpkin into our food processor. Remember to hold down the blade whilst you are putting the pumpkin inside. We are now going to place our blender on top. And grated Parmesan cheese. I'm going to cut off a portion. Palm of your hand, flatten them down. Stretch it out a little bit. Use the wider setting. That's number 7 on our machine. You're going to take it through. Look at that. Really nice. So I'm going to put a small teaspoon of filling in my ravioli. Put half a pan of water on to boil. Hi Corbis, so you popped in for lunch today?
Looking at this, I'm very happy I did.
Okay, so you're about to eat a pumpkin and parmesan ravioli in a sage batter.
I must say the presentation is really nice. But like they say, proof is in the taste. Really, really nice.